show you this apartment. This is next to the natural reserve in Huatulco. Natural reserve, but very few places where you can wake up to birds and no sounds. In this case, they're still building, but look at that. This is a 2-bedroom apartment with a double height ceiling. Amazing. Let me show you. This is one of the bedrooms. It's delivered with AC and it's delivered as you see it with a closet. So here's the bed and you can wake up next to the reserve, as you can see there, which is amazing. So you have a little terrace there. This is the bathroom. It's usually the same quality of terrace. And it's straight next to the main area. This is the main living room. It is delivered with all of this. It's ready to move in pretty much. They're still working on it. They're still finishing it. Where we saw the double heights is amazing. As you can see, it really gives it a spacious area. And now the best part, this is another area where you can actually step out. This is another outdoors area. So, I thought they were gonna be small, they're pretty big. Wow. This is lovely. This is going to the main bedroom. Now, this is the third outdoor bit where you can actually be. So this will be the bedroom that's above the mezzanine. I love the mezzanine double height. This will be your third bit of outdoor that's looking at the beautiful natural reserve. Very few units like this. Bedroom also has a view bathroom, which I actually skipped, and it's quite spacious. They're still working on the finishings and the cleaning. This is polished wood, as you can see here. This is tiles that go along with the same design. So they're still working on it, finishing it, but it's already ready to move in. And if you buy it, it will be delivered pretty soon.